let's go ahead and open up some Coach. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name's Jonathan. I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews. And today I have a couple packages from Coach. So unbox it with me. Before I get started with today's video, you guys know what to do. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help my channel grow. I make videos every Friday on luxury content, men's style, luxury unboxings, you name it, it's here on this channel. If you like that kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to see what I got from Coach, then keep on watching. So Coach was having a sale and I ended up buying 2 items. One of them is actually a free gift with purchase of anything over $200. So as you can probably tell, these items are smaller items. They're not necessarily handbags, but I've been recently in love with a lot of Coach ready-to-wears. As you can probably tell by a couple of my unboxings, I've been into the Coach scene recently. I don't know what it is, but before I used to love Coach. It was one of my first contemporary designers that I dove into, and then I kind of fell out of love with it. Once I started falling head over heels for Louis Vuitton, I kind of stopped buying Coach. But in recent years, I've been buying a lot more ready-to-wears just because I'm still not really into their handbags, but their ready-to-wears are pretty good quality. I have had no complaints about the shirts and the sweaters that I have and the other t-shirts that I purchased. No complaints whatsoever. So I decided to go ahead and buy these because I saw they were on sale. So let's get into the video. We'll start off with this package first just because I know that this is probably going to be the free gift, just because the other 2 items, I wouldn't necessarily say they're the same, but they're kind of like a similar style. And I was curious to see what this item actually looked like. So opening it up, looks like you have the receipts, and then it is packaged in this nice little box right here. And if I didn't mention this before, I did purchase these from Coach outlets, just because nothing on the actual Coach boutique was kind of catching my eye. So let's go ahead and rip this bad boy open.
I don't know if you guys can hear the little chitter chatter. That's how I open this guy up.
Okay, opening it like so. And the free gift that I got was this Coach water bottle. So Coach was giving this away. As I mentioned, if you purchased anything over $200, they were giving this away. And I just thought this was like the cutest thing. I'm not huge into water bottles, but this does seem like it'll keep my drinks cold or my drinks hot, depending on what I put in here. But as a free gift, honestly, can't complain. You actually cannot purchase this regularly just because it was made just exclusively for the free gift. So if you did want to try and purchase this, how I was able to get this as a free gift is if you sign up for their Coach Insider, which is pretty much just making an account on their website, you get eligible for specific perks. And for this particular sale, they were giving all of the insiders a free water bottle with $200 purchase. So I highly recommend subscribing to their website and making an account because it's free. You get to track your orders and you get these little perks as well. And so moving on to the second item that I did purchase. I did purchase all of these together, but they for some reason decided to come one by one. I'm not too sure why they did that, but it's fine. It gives me more things to open. But the next item that I did purchase was this t-shirt. So this t-shirt is their signature, it's called their signature t-shirt in the classic CCs. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up so that way we can get a closer look at it. And I got this in a size medium. So this is what it looks like, and I will try it on for you, but this just wanted to give you guys a heads up as to what this looks like. And I actually love this. This actually feels a lot more better quality than some of the other t-shirts that I've purchased from the Coach outlet. So it's good to see that they are stepping up their game with their ready-to-wear pieces. And last but certainly not least, the last item that I did get is another ready-to-wear piece. And this one came in a brown envelope. And any guesses as to which ready-to-wear piece I got for this one? I'm just gonna go ahead and just get this item. So this item is the polo version of the signature t-shirt. So I absolutely love the t-shirt so much, and I wear a lot of polos for work. So I decided to get this one so that way I can wear it to the office. And so let's go ahead and open this guy up. And so this is what the polo shirt looks like. I absolutely love this. It looks exactly the same as a t-shirt, but it has a collar on it. And so this actually retailed for 198 Canadian dollars, but I got it on sale for 134. And if I'm not mistaken, the t-shirt was $178, and I believe I got it for $100. So that is the two items that I did purchase, as well as I did get the free water bottle with purchase. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed today's video. This was my super quick unboxing of my new Coach ready-to-wear pieces. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.